name is Randell Ray. Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be nice, short, and sweet. Well, sort of. I'm going to do part here. I just got something to say, and then we're going to do a little bit of a vlog, you know what I'm saying? But to get this started off with, I just want to thank each and every one of you, anybody that supports me in any kind of way, actually. After recording my last workshop vlog, while I was recording it, I realized that I was pushing 100 subscribers. After editing and putting out the video, I had surpassed 100 subscribers. So, with that in mind, I just want to thank each and every one of you. I greatly appreciate it. I know my channel is very random. We go from woodworking, workshop stuff, to daily vlogs, airboat building, and now we're integrating all of the motorcycle content, and I hope it's well received. I haven't got a whole lot of feedback on it, so yeah. Anyways, I just want to thank you guys. We're going to get into a little bit of a vlog action. We're headed down to Fort Myers, downtown Fort Myers, to bike night, so I'll see y'all there. And again, thank you greatly to each and every one of you and anybody that supports me in any kind of way. So, I'll see y'all there. You have a good one. Welcome to downtown Fort Myers bike night, y'all. I just want to jump in here for a quick moment. Basically, when we got downtown, everything was already closing up. There wasn't really a whole lot going on, and I didn't get a whole lot of footage like I wanted to actually do a vlog while we were there. But that's okay. We got a little bit of stuff afterwards. I just want to jump in here and kind of let you guys know the context. So I'll see y'all at the end. You right over there? Hey, that last red light, his bike was backfiring and shit. He laid his bike down not too long ago. I guess his carb has been messing up ever since he laid it down, and they cleaned it and tuned it again in the last couple days. But apparently something's still wrong, because we rolled up to that last red light and his bike kind of backfired a little bit. He was checking it out, but he went, at least I thought he went. And then obviously started to notice he was gone, so I think we're probably just gonna have him leave the pack here, just to make sure we don't leave him in the dust, you know. Now his bike's idling way too high again. We just adjusted it. Well, I say just, we adjusted it right before we got downtown. We stopped and got fuel. It sounds like it's idling way too high again. His bike doesn't seem to be idling so high anymore, but it still don't sound right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. His bike pretty much continued to do that the entire way back to that bar. I'm not sure how it's been since then. I haven't really talked to the guys, so hopefully it's all situated. It'll be fine for the next ride. In the meantime, that's pretty much it for me. I just want to jump in one last time. Thank you guys for reaching 100 subscribers here. I know it's not a huge milestone, but it is something, so I just want to thank you. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a giveaway or anything like that, but we'll see. In the meantime, you guys have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.